After a little trial and error, I think I found what would be the best way to manually create an RSS file for self-hosting that would, encompass any sort of content that you want to publish on it. For example, the website I set up was just completely made from scratch with plain HTML. So in order to add one in, it would have to be built specifically for it. But the beauty of a custom RSS feed is that it can point to anything, anywhere on the web of your choosing. Anyway, I figured I would just quickly go over my setup here and show you how to set up one yourself. It's really no more than, probably a 5-minute task of copy and pasting from start to finish. I will leave a link in the description to the text version of this, as well as a link to a GitHub repository with a copy of the code as well. With either one, it's as simple as copy and pasting and then just filling out a few minute details. Begin by creating a text file. You can name it anything you want, but for mine, I just went with feed.xml. Paste in the first few bits of code on screen, and you can create the feed itself. You'll obviously want to change the title, the link, and the description to what you specifically wanted to point to, but otherwise, don't do anything outside the brackets. Next, quickly grab a copy of the item code I have on screen. Just like the last code, you can replace the title, date, and description with your content specifically. And of course, just leaving everything outside the brackets unchanged. And once you have the item code finished up, you can open your original feed file and paste the code you just finished right below the description as shown above. And with that completed, your file should look something like this. And the next time you want to go add a second item, you just fill out a second item code just like the first time and paste it right below the description where you pasted the previous one. So each new item is just added on top of the last one. And once you're done, you can upload a copy of the feed to the web. You can host a feed anywhere where you'd host other web content, but if you're looking to host it for free, then something like GitHub Pages would work fine. IPFS would also work, which I've written about in the past, but it's a little bit more complicated to set it up for something like this. Either way, once you have it hosted and running, anytime you want to add a new item, just again, fill out a new item code and paste that on top of the previous one, and then update that original file with the new copy of the file that you've added the new item code to, and once uploaded, the feed readers will see the new content.